neck insulator. To lock and center the liner, install and tighten the AccuLock S gas diffuser with an appropriate wrench. Install the AccuLock contact tip and tighten with welding pliers. Install the AccuLock S nozzle and ensure the neck insulator is installed properly. Place the AccuLock S power pin cap with the set screw over the liner and thread onto the power pin. Tighten the power pin cap snug against the power pin shoulder with welding pliers or an appropriate wrench. Holding the provided hex wrench as shown, tighten the set screw finger tight against the liner. Next, hold the hex wrench by the handle and tighten the set screw an additional 1/2 turn to fully secure the liner. Trim the liner flush to the power pin with a sharp set of side cutters. Insert a piece of welding wire into the liner to check for burrs or obstructions. If needed, loosen the set screw until the wire slides freely. Plug the power pin back into the machine, reconnect the control lead, and feed the wire through the MIG gun.